How to get Snapchat Plus free trial for lifetime. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now navigate to the avatar option given at the top left corner. With that, you will be directed to your profile page. In your profile page, you're going to find the option of Snapchat Plus. Click on that. With that, you're going to find all the features of Snapchat Plus, custom app icon, custom app themes, best friend, story rewatch, and many more. Click on the option of next. You're gonna get two options for the Snapchat Plus, monthly and annual. For any of these offer, you're gonna get free trial for first 7 days. Click on start free trial. For the first 7 days, you're gonna get free trial for Snapchat Plus. You just have to go through the process to provide your payment details, and after completion of 1 week, you will be charged. So at the moment, Snapchat only offers 7 days free trial. But if you want to use free trial for the lifetime, what you can do is just keep on creating new Snapchat account and use the 7 days free trial. This way you can use Snapchat Plus free trial for a lifetime. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.